This message is for Data Dive users specifically. Now, we've been teaching on the seller system side since 2018, and we've helped hundreds of sellers become millionaires. We've helped dozens of sellers start their own agencies and scale their own agencies to multiple millions of dollars as well. What we teach works, but there's a big problem with that. As we scale our businesses, we always run into a wall: people. And so our content is geared towards these entrepreneurs who are starting and running the business and are able to do and understand almost everything in their business. But at some point, you need to start hiring people and training them. And almost all the time, what ends up happening is you hit a wall. The people are not going to be as good as you at running those products, as managing those products, as running those ads. And so we're making a major change at Seller Systems with the introduction of our PPC Manager Certificate program. Now, this isn't a typical pay me $50, take a quiz, and you're certified. This is going to be hard. It is a college level 12-week program with 2 live classes every single week. There is an initial exam to get a baseline to your knowledge, a midterm, and a final exam throughout those 12 weeks. You're going to have homework. Now, we are making it so you have to be managing a product to be in it. You can put your PPC management team into this program, or if you're doing your ads yourself, you can join. But you're going to be tested, and it's going to be hard, but you're going to make progress and improve your business throughout the 12 weeks. Now, if this is something you want to sign up for, it literally starts tomorrow on the 17th of June. That is the first class of the 12 weeks. The classes will be Tuesday and Thursday evening at 5 p.m. Eastern. Now, we chose this time because, yes, it's late in Europe, but it's not too late. You got to put in some overtime. And it's still morning in Australia, and we have students all over the world. So we tried to pick a time that was fairly neutral. Now, if you're interested in joining, you can use a code DDSSACADEMY, and you will save 50%. This is because it is a beta class. This class will normally be $2,500 or more for the 12 weeks, but you can get in for just $1,200 if you sign up and join for this class. Now, keep in mind, the number of seats are extremely limited because we don't know how many people we can cater to. There's a lot of one-on-one time. These are live instructed classes with homework and feedback. So this isn't going to be something passive with just videos. Again, this is like a live college level type of course with instructors. We've brought in multiple instructors to teach this. So if you're facing the same issue that we all face, even in our own business, we've hit a wall at 10 million, then we hit a wall at 20 million. And the only thing that's going to help us break through is by getting better at training people we hire and hiring and training the right people. So I want you to be able to do the same thing by joining this program. Now, you can get more details also at Seller Systems Academy. So www.sellersystemsacademy.com. This is a new chapter in the evolution of Seller Systems, and I'm very excited about it. We've put a lot of work into it. But if you want to be part of this beta class where you can give feedback and you will get more one-on-one time, then sign up right away and you'll save half the money. So it's definitely worth it. So I'll see you in the class. It starts, again, tomorrow on the 17th. I don't know if you're seeing this today or tomorrow, but you only have another day to sign up from the time of this recording. I hope that you get in it or you get your people into it because it will help your business. Good luck, and I'll see you at the next event.